Loko, tao lang ako eh. Heller! Hindi ka animal, tao ka nga eh! Kung animal ka, hindi ka na nakapag-isip. Diba? Instincts ka na lang, impulses ka na lang. But because you're a human being, you have the ability to choose. That's the greatest freedom. Guys, alam nyo, yung mundo ngayon, ang definition ng freedom, ganito, my body, my choice. Kung ano gusto kong gawin sa buhay ko, basta gagawin ko. Kung gusto magpakalasing, maglalasing ako. Kung ito gusto kong makajowa, kahit may asawa pa yan, kahit magulo pa yung buhay niya, ay gusto ko siya eh. My life, my choice. But you know the real meaning of freedom? The real meaning of freedom is the ability to do what you ought to do. The meaning of freedom is the ability to do what you ought to do. Ibig sabihin nun, pag kailangan mo magtawag ng mga potential clients, nagagawa mo siya. Pag kailangan ngayon kasama mo yung magulang mo, minamahal mo siya. But because we have sin, because it's addicting, because it has otherworldly power over us, totoo ba? Na parang dinadala ko, parang di ko kaya talagang mahindian ito. Nagigets nyo? Then you are not free. Then you are bound by chains. Because what you're supposed to be doing, you're not able to do. Do you understand? That's why when I told Brother Bo, sabi ko, Brother Bo, nag-email pa lang kami nun eh. Brother Bo, mas i-obey ko na si Lord. Sabi ko, alam mo reply niya sa akin? Tanong niya, ano? Sabi niya, I'm so excited for you. Ha? Ba't siya excited? Parang, wala na nga yata akong ligaya sa buhay ko nito. But now I understood. I understood why he said this. I'm so excited for you. Because, so many of my dreams, ito na si ANP, so many of my dreams happen.